I had Nigerian army making an utterance on how they are going to deal with the security of the nation, making it proper to disappear all the insurgencies and things posing as a threat to Nigerian citizens. There is nothing Nigerian army will do if the corruption in our country is not tackled by the army. There is nothing you can do. Listen, I am talking to you in the night and bear me witness. When I say bear me witness, there is nothing Nigerian army can do if the problem in Nigeria is not tackled by the Nigerian army, by the defense force. When I talk about defense force, the army, the navy, and the air force, in conjunction with police, because police is the organ of overall of what is happening in Nigeria. If you like, create operation Habondaji, or create Fansanyama, or operation where crocodile and python dances. It doesn't make any meaning if you don't tackle the problem that is in Nigeria, if you don't stand up and look at these people. If you have never been bribed, look at them. They are the ones. If you don't look at them, your gallant men will always be disseminated in the battlefield, in the war front. Papa Musa, start by arresting those that are that are sponsoring all this Boko Haram. Look at those that buy healers for them. Finish them first before going for bandits. When their power, when these people powerhouse is demolished, they will not suck strength from anywhere. Those people that are buying healers for the bandits and the Boko Haram, they are the ones you need to go and catch first, because leaving them to start fighting, looking for the bandit, is like you sleeping outside without a house. If you catch one bandit, they will sponsor 20 in the next day. Have this at the back of your mind. You are a security officer, but I don't know if you have drank the same water these people have drank, or they have given you the same water that they have drank. Use your brain. Chief of Defense Staff, stop wasting your time. If you can't first arrest these people, there is no need of you wasting your time coming to the national television to tell us you are going to use Operation Mesa, Operation Python Dance, and Operation Crocodile Tears. Stop. Don't be wasting your time. You made mention of guide the schools where you have shared the army. All the army personnel has been shared that are meant to guide the public. You have shared them to the public officials. You have shared them, and you are talking about how you will fight bandits. Who are going to fight the bandit? Is it you? Chief of Defense Staff, are you the one that is going to fight the bandits? It is still those gallant men you have given to senators. It is those gallant men you have given to rich men. These rich people, it is still the same gallant men that you have given to different big industries in exchange of money. One senator with 5 soldiers and 20 policemen. When big men and their various businesses are having 10 army personnel or soldiers because you have shared them to them. Who are doing this? Are they sharing these people without your consent? You yourself also collect a little from what they have gotten through all these your GOCs. You have, if you have not, are you going to tell me that you don't know that your gallant boys are being shared across all spheres, big men, ministers, and all the rest, even local government chairman? You share your army, a honorable men, you share them across, they become, hey. You also share to pastors, these prominent religious men, pastors, imams, and all the rest. You share army, soldiers, and the police with great arms that to guide the people that are made for securing the public, the territorial integrity of our nation. When you call them, you will not see anybody. If you call on phone, you will not see anybody. This corruption must, from the head, be removed till the down before you can be able to make it. I know what you stand for is just to make utterance how it will be. I know it may be your heart to do what is right, but these people you are supposed to eliminate from the areas can never allow you to breathe well, because they are the one that is piping and they are dictating the tone for you. If you don't remove them from your land, you will continue to lose your gallant men. The truth is that the chief of defense staff, the chief of the naval staff, the chief of the air defense staff have misused the soldiers. You people have misused the gallant men. You misuse them. Soldiers are not supposed to be seen on the street where there is no war or serious threat. You have made them so cheap that our gallant men becomes a servant and errand boys for people that are the cause of the insecurity in this country. What a mess, what a disaster. Some army men are in this minister's house, rich people serving as errand boy, polishing shoe for people that is supposed to be afraid of them. It is because of you. If you never allow that to happen, soldiers will not be misused. Go to Kenya. It will be very hard you see soldiers on the road, even on their cars on the road, except they are going for duty. Soldiers are meant to be in the barracks to come out when things hard happen that police cannot control. But look at everywhere. It's soldier. Look at everywhere, checkpoint everywhere. They are our gallant men taking money forcefully from people that should respect them. When an elderly person is hiding and he sees a child, he should stop hiding. Everything that is secret has been revealed. Better come out. Stop hiding. Let me tell you, the chief of defense staff, there is nothing you can do. You are just talking so that people will hear that the chief of army staff, the chief of defense staff of this country is saying something about the security. Yes, people will be happy to hear you say you want Operation Lamba de Gori, Operation Mesa de Guaza. Yes, but that is a mere talk. Bible says that faith without work is dead. So I am telling you, all this national television, you are coming up to tell us how it will be. It may be in your heart to do that, but all of them is medicine after death. Medicine after death. Do you know why I said it? You cannot strive in this life. You cannot go far when there is a rope in your waist that is tied somewhere on the stick. If you don't remove that rope, you cannot go far. The people that are causing this insurgency, this kidnapping, sponsoring Boko Haram, and the unknown gunmen are the people you go for. Instead of that, you have gone to different places like the Biafra land to fight the unknown, fight the the Biafran Liberation Army or Eastern Security Network, as it is said. That is a waste of time. It is something that you call the president of this country. You have the power to tell him, sit on a round table, discuss with these people so that this will end. It is not because there is insurgency. There is no insurgency in the East. If you don't know it now. There is no insurgency in the East. There is no problem in the East. This is artificially made because the government of our time don't want to listen to the people's plight. Everybody in the eastern part of Nigeria called Biafra is telling Buhari, was telling Buhari to leave Biafrans to go, to conduct a referendum. The same thing they are telling the present president of Nigeria. Conduct a referendum and leave Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. You will see East will become Totori again. You become Popori. Everybody will be enjoying. There is no insurgency in the East. The only problem there is marginalization. There is no how I will marginalize you, your honor, and you will be quiet. I will bend your head and knock on your head, and you will be quiet. Papa, it is not true now. It is not true. You won't bear it. Even if you cannot fight, you can raise up a sand in somebody's eye. That is the problem. It is not when somebody says, go and catch him, go and catch him. You should first of all look at what the person is saying. Is this true? And you work towards it. Tell the GCFR, the Grand Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, tell him face to face, you are his second. Tell him, Papa President, please conduct a referendum in the East. Nnamdi Kanu said, 1 minute, all this nonsense will stop. Conduct a referendum in the East so that this nonsense will stop. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu. The East is the peaceful place ever. But marginalization have brought what is called insurgency in the East. Artificial one. Is there any citizen you hear that Eastern Security Network have killed? Except the citizens that is working against the people. No, it is no. You can only hear Nigerian army kill the people or maybe disseminated burn houses in the East. It is not Eastern Network. It is not. They are meant to guide them because the law of this country is not protecting the people. So the people must protect themselves. T.Y. Danjuma, a former chief army staff, he said, protect yourself. When we cannot protect when the security forces cannot protect the people from Fulani herdsmen's invasion, killing, and all the rest, what do you have to do? Do you have to stay like that? You must protect yourself by any means. We cannot die. We have the right of life. So, let the army raise up his belt again to his stomach and do the needful. The people that are causing this insurgency are the people that is behind you. The people that is in front of you. They are the people that have made law for you. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin. If you don't know my name, I don't hide my name. I am an Igbo man. I am from the place which you said has insurgency in the East. I'm a man from the East. There is no insurgency in the East. I'm an Igbo man, a core Biafran. When you hear, all our place is known as Biafra. You cannot change it. It is there before we were born. Even you that is fighting of Biafra, it was there before you were born. We are known as children of God. Biafra, people that come and join. When you are born, you join. Biafra, that is the meaning. Come and join. As our children are coming up, they are joining us. That is the meaning of Biafra. Come and join. You cannot remove it from us. Even if you don't like that name, you better give up, because our children are coming up, and they are coming up with the name. The blood is running in them. So when you hear Biafra, let it not itch your ear. We are the children of Chukwu Okike Abiama. No matter what you do, no matter the church you go to, look at me. Look at me. This thing did not take away my nationality. It did not take away my family name. It did not take away my religion. It did not take away anything. I am still who I am. We are not violent people. We are very peaceful people. We are loving people. We are developers. Biafra is a name that can never be erased in the whole. Go to London, BBC. In all the countries in the world, you will see Biafra, because we have been existing before Nigeria. God bless all of you and continue to guide you. Insurgency will not kill you. God will give you the power to overcome. Inshallah. God bless you.